Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Charles Stanley Direct Review My Usage Experience. Charles Stanley Direct Review My Usage Experience offers investment account management and trading services, primarily targeting individuals interested in Christian values-aligned investing. It appears to offer online account access, trade execution, and potentially research tools related to their specific investment strategies. Their website provides details on specific offerings and account types. Their website highlights ease of use for various investor experience levels, emphasizing transparent pricing. They boast a strong focus on ethical and responsible investing, aligning with their religious affiliation. Availability is nationwide for U.S. residents, though specific eligibility criteria might apply. They don't appear to advertise any specific technology beyond standard online brokerage functionality. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Charles Stanley Direct Review My Usage Experience. I've been using their platform for about 3 months now, primarily to manage a small retirement account. Getting started was straightforward, the online account application was clear and concise, and verification was completed within a couple of days. Navigating the interface was intuitive enough. I easily placed trades, checked my portfolio balance, and reviewed my transaction history. The reporting tools are quite good, they generate clear and easy-to-understand statements. The speed of trade execution was generally prompt, I didn't experience any significant delays. The quality of their research reports, specifically those focusing on socially responsible companies, was excellent and helped me make informed decisions. I had a quick question regarding a specific tax form and their support responded within 2 business days via email, which I considered very efficient. I was really impressed by how clearly their fees were laid out, no hidden charges, which is a huge plus for me. One minor drawback was the limited number of available investment options compared to some larger brokers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Charles Stanley Direct. While it has a few quirks, such as the relatively limited research on international markets, it generally met my needs and aligns perfectly with my investment philosophy. That's my overview of Charles Stanley Direct Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.